In this video, I'll show you how to fix live option missing on TikTok. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update your TikTok app's latest version. You make sure your TikTok apps is updated. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on Apps. Tap on Manage Apps. Search TikTok application. Tap on TikTok application. Then again tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache. Clear Cache data. It helps to fix TikTok live option missing problem. Step 3. Restart your device and reopen it. You can follow the all steps and solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.